Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we are going to discuss about shared data through the art of visualization week 1 assessment. It has been a long time since I have uploaded in video. I'll start with the video now. So I'll start with the weekly challenge one, that is module 1 challenge. So when I look at the answers, it is a 8 question based series, and you can see the answers here. First question is: a data analyst working for an e-commerce website creates the following data visualization to show the amount of time users spend on the site. So this is a bar chart where we have time durations, how much, and how many users usually spend their time in an average way. So what type of visualization it is? So it is named as histogram. Histogram is in a form of bar chart, and it is not in a continuous form. So uh, these used to demonstrate how often data values fall into the certain range. So you can see the answer here, histogram. Second is, what do correlation charts reveal about the data they contain? So as a correlation, the name itself says that it is going to define the relation between two variables or many variables. So it define the relationships between the data. Third is, you are creating a presentations for a stakeholders and are choosing whether to include a static or dynamic visualization. Describe the difference between static and dynamic visualization. So when you are creating a static, what is static and dynamic? Static is something that is fixed, and dynamic is something that can be varying depending on the situation or the variable that we are using. So static visualization do not change over time unless they are edited. Dynamic visualization are interactive and can be automatically changes over time. So that is the correct answer. Fourth one is, sophisticated use of contrast helps separate the most important data from the rest using the visual context that our brains naturally responds to. Yeah, so contrast, coloring is really important when we are working with the visualizations. So depending on the scenarios or the clients, you can have different color ranges or different palettes. So it will be varying according to the project wise. So it is not in a big of a deal. You can look for it while developing the project. Fifth film will be, design thinking is a process used to solve problems in a way user centric way. So design thinking, how the project is going to be designed, how the template is going to look like, how the report is going to look like. It's something that you have to forecast how the user going to see it and how they will interact with the dashboard or something like that, or report some on some reports. So you'll have to look into the user centric way where a user will be interacting with a report and how will they visualize it. Sixth one will be, you are in the ideate phase of design process. What are you doing in at this stage? So we are generating visual ideas. There are 5 phases of design process: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. The ideate phase is when you start to generate your data visualization ideas. So that is the phase. Seventh one is, a data analyst want to make their visualization more accessible by adding text explanation directly onto the visualization. What is it called? So labeling is the correct answer. Labeling data directly instead of relying on legends can make data visualization more accessible. So when you are hovering over some data, the labels could be purple, or you can give the fixed labels also. We can have tooltips also, depending on the visualization completely, how we want to display it. 8. A data analyst is making their visualization more accessible. They separate the background and the foreground of the visualization using bright contrasting colors. What does that describe? So they are distinguishing, if background and foreground is going to have different set of colors, it is going to pop up to the eyes, and the details might be clear in that. So that is the correct answer, and I hope that you have liked the video. And please do like the video and subscribe to the channel. It will be really helpful, and I'll be uploading many more videos like this in future. Thank you.